Ball, pass to number 29, Giuliano Nabaha for jump. No good. Intercepted by Kabadunga. Kabadunga number 7, number 11, Orbistono. Orbistono number 11, still move pass to Kabadunga. By foul, Pinawa. By foul, jersey number 12, pushing to free throws. Intercepted by. Uy, wala pa yung mga score. 7 minutos na lang. 7 minutos. Wala. Ibido. Number 12. Pull up. Yes, sir. Ogusun. Nabaha. Bakanti. Yes, sir. 4-0. 6-29 remaining time. 6-29. Orbistono 13 Tahonera, wala, rebound Nabaha. Uy, turnover. Clear out the bounds, 6 minutos 8 segundos. 6-8. Jersey number 11, Orbistono to number 7, Kabadunga, nice block. Jersey number 12, Ibido, Nabaha, 2. It's a bad pass. A bad pass, turnover na naman. Jersey number 11. Number 11 to number 13, Tahonera, 2. Orbistono 13, shot clock, spin, 10 to shoot, pull up, PAM! Buena mano, 3 puntos. 3 contra 4. 3 contra 4. Jersey number 29, Giuliano Yuru. Yes sir, follow-up jump shot made by Jungsun. 6 contra 3. Jersey number 11. Orbistono. 5. Wala. Johnson for the round. Nabaha. Pull up. Wala. Turnover. Jersey number 13. Number 13, 2, number 7, Kabadunga, 5 contra 6, 5-6. Usa na lang. 4:35 remaining time, Jungsun, wala. Intercepted by number 7, Kabadunga, double team. Intercepted by Giuliano, 2, Nabaha, Gurun. Oops, wala. Rebound. Jersey may foul tinawag. Jersey number 20, jersey number 13, number 12, Jungsun. Uy, duha na foul Jungsun. 14 Gurun. Laong sa lagi 12. Uy. O, 2 team fouls na. Lord's Piso Wi-Fi. Jersey number 11, Orbistono, 2, Tahonera, 1, Juscio, Intercepted by Kabadunga, tinsikan siya Orbistono, Caldo, na rebound, Caldo again, wala, again, Mr. Kabadunga, tinsikan siya Acerto, iki, Victor. Uy, may foul. May foul tinawag. Jersey number 12, Jungsun, legal use, 2 free throw. Uy, dalawa. Dua na foul. Jungsun number 12, 3 team fouls. Lord's Piso, Wi-Fi.
Kakoy! Kuha ba?
Yes, he scored a block. 6-all, last throw for Asierto. Substitution. Johnson out, Uri. Dishon up by 1 point. 3:45 remaining time. 3:45. 3:45. Navaja. Número 29. 2. Uri. 2. Gurun. Yes, sir. 8 contra 7. 3 strike, 3 remaining time. Jersey number 11, Orbis Tondo. 15 seconds shot clock. Tahonera for the drive. 2. Intercepted by number 29, Doliano. Quevedo. Navaja. Bakante. Yes, sir. Uy. 10 contra 7. 17 ang Lord's Peace Wi-Fi Tulu. Jersey number 10, Kabadonga. Asal Galgo. Uy, 9 contra 10. 1 point lead by Lord's Peace Wi-Fi. Doriano. My power tinawag. Foul. Jersey number 7, Kabadonga. Illegal cylinder. Kabadonga first personal, 1 for the team. Shot clock receipt to 14. Quevedo. 2. Navaja. 2. Uri. 10 seconds shot clock. Navaja Bakante. 12 contra 9. 2 minutes and 37 remaining. 2:37. Fire. Wala. Quevedo for the rebound. Quevedo number 12. The steal move. Gurun. 15 shot clock. Uri. 10 to shoot. Fire. Bang bang. 14 contra 9. 5. Jersey number 11 again. Orbis Tondo. 15 seconds shot clock. Cargo. 11-14, tulo na lang. 1:58 remaining time. Jersey number 29 to number 9, Uri. Flight pass behind the back. Pass to Grun to Navaja. 10 to shoot. Yes, sir. This is size contra 11. Jersey number 7, Kabadonga. Wala. And now, my foul tinawag. Jersey number 10. Holding foul, Galgo number 10. Substitution, Gurun out. Galgo number 10, first personal foul. Second team fouls. 1:37 remaining time, 1:37. Jersey number 29, Navaja. 2, Quevedo. Nice block. 15 seconds shot clock. Shot clock down to 15. Quevedo for the throw in. Navaja for the pull up. Wala. Rebound. Doliano. Yes, sir. A foul of junction made by Copela. 18 contra 11. 7 puntos Orbis Tondo. Orbis Tondo for the jump. Wala. Pop! 1, yes sir. Uy, 13 contra 18. 5 na lang. Usa na lang ka minuto. Uri, number 9. Side step. Wala. Rebound. Kabadonga. 50 seconds. Kabadonga number 7 to Tahonera. No good. 15 seconds shot clock. Kabadonga 2. Gano! 15 contra 18. The ladies down to 3. 30 seconds na lang. Navaja. May foul tinawag. Jersey number 11. Illegally sumangs. Number 11. Orbis Tondo. Unang foul. 3 for the team. 15 seconds shot clock. 27 seconds remaining. Quevedo, 25 seconds, 10 seconds to shoot. Foul. 2 points. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, Foul.
Sabi lo.
My foul. Jersey number 29, Naba, illegal cylinder. Warning for penalty, first personal foul. 5 seconds na lang, 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Yes, sir. 17-20. And on the first quarter, the score, this is City by 50 in favor Lord's Piso Wi-Fi. By 50, this is City. Ball position, Lord's Piso Wi-Fi. Jersey number 12, for the inbound, Mr. Quevedo. Pass to Osorio. Osorio to Iliguer, 2. Intercepted by Mr. Galgo. No, the break, it by Gas. Yes, sir. Disinwede contra Valente. Gamay na lang. Jersey number 11, Mr. Osorio, 15 shot clock, Kapunong, wala, rebound, skipping on the line, out of bounds. 7:31 na lang, Jersey number 8, Anduy, numero 8, 2, Fiestas 2, Galdo, pula, bang, 21, labaw na ang laktudan. Labaw na team lakturan, Jersey number 11, Kokila, punta dia, wala, Galgo for the rebound, double team, bulas sa team lakturan. 7 minutos, 8 segundos, Anduy, numero 8, number 17, Fred Fiestas, for 3, 24. Inal palati. Jersey 0-0 Kapunong. Pass to number 11 Osorio. 15 shot clock. Osorio again to Delegate team to shoot. Kokela. 23 contra 24. The ladies down to 2. Jersey number 8 Anduy. Anduy now 2. Number 11. On this Tondo again 2. Intercepted by Kokela. Kokela numero 10, pass to number 11, Osorio for the drive. Yes, sir. Score, ladies and ladies, 24 tabla. Lala. Jersey number 8, Adu, 2, number 17, break distance again, wala. Follow, bang bang. 26, 24, 5-5-5 remaining time. Jersey number 10, Kokela. Still in the move, 15 shot clock. Deliver, pull up. Yes, sir. Basket count, Jersey number 18, illegal conduct. Number 18, previous cast. First personal foul. First personal, 140, bonus through. Wala. Score tabla. Sino kaya? Magpapatuloy. Jersey number 8, 2. Intercepted by Diliger. Diliger, the number 11, Osorio. Intercepted by Ortiz Tondo. Ortiz Tondo, 2. Galgo, yes sir. Mr. Galgo. The Skywalker of Team Bishop. Jersey 0-0 Kapolo to number 11 Osorio Quevedo. 13 shot clock, wala. Rebound, intercepted by Fred Fiestas. Again Galdo to Ortiz Tondo. My foul. Foul, Jersey number 11. Blocking to free throw. Sakit na shoot. Kapuro nga, Johnson. Jersey number 11, Osorio, first personal foul. First team foul, Lord's Piso, Wi-Fi. Act of shooting, 2 libreng tira. 29-26. Last throw for Dingdong Orbistundo. Pasok 30 kontra 26. Jersey number 11, Osorio. 2, Dixon, 1, miss, wala. Rebound, Brad Viscas. Uy, ang tawag? Helbol o bulas sa? Bulas sa Disyun. Bulas sa Disyun. 4.51, Helbol ang tawag, Disyun, ball. Anduy, patok, Anduy. Jersey number 8, 2, Brad Blesser sa galing number 3, score. And now, Quibino, Osorio. Out of control. 4.36 remaining time. Jersey number 8, Anduy, back to Brad. Anduy again, 15 seconds shot clock. Anduy, Orbistundo. 2, Brad Viscas in the 3. Wala. Rebound. Intercepted by Quibino. Quibino number 12. On the way. Intercepted by Paul. Itinawag. Jersey number 8. Anduy, illegal use balance. Substitution. Orbistundo, Brad Viscas. Anduy, first personal. Second team fouls. Jersey number 12, shot clock 15, pass to number 11, Osorio. Osorio 2, intercept by Camadunga. Uy, makantina. Mediestas. Charge time out. Lord's Piso, Wi-Fi. 32-26. Remaining time 3 minutes and 57 second quarter. Remaining time for the second quarter. Jersey number 12, pass number 29, Nabaha. Nabaha to Jingsu of Kokela, Tomera, wala. Rebound Anduy. Anduy, Jersey number 8, Galdo, pull up. Wala, rebound, intercepted by Viscas. By foul, itilang, foul, Jersey number 10, illegal contact to free throws. Jersey number 10, Kokila. Kokila number 10, first personal foul. Yes, 33. Last throw for Brad Viscas. Last throw. Wala, rebound. 33 by Desai, 7 puntos Kokila. For the goal line, yes sir. 5 na lang. 3 by 3 remaining time. Jersey number 8, Anduy, 2, Brad Viscas, back to Anduy, shot at 15. Uno, push, wala, rebound, intercepted by Galdo, pula, bang, 35 by Piotso, Jersey number out of bounds. Turnover, 35 contra by Piotso, 3 minutos 2 segundos remaining for the second quarter. Anduy, Jersey number 8, back to Brad Viscas, 15 shot clock, bad pass. It's a bad pass. Jersey number 02, Gilligan for a 2E, pass number 29, Nabaha now 2, Quibino, yes sir, 35, the lead is down to 5. Again, Jersey number 8 again, Mr. Ado is still looking for Phoenix, 15 seconds, shot clock, Galgo again, wala. Deliver for the rebound. Jong-sun for the drive. Power up. Yes, sir. 32, 35. The lead is down to 3. Jersey number 1 again, Fred Biestas. 15 seconds shot clock. Enters the ball, Jong-sun. Napaha. Wala. Follow up. Intercepted by Mr. Andoy. Andoy number 8. Intercepted by Idea. 1.3 na lang. Remaining for the second quarter. Jersey number 29. Nabaha, double team to Kokila for stick back move. Wala. Rebound. And now Mr. Andoy again. On the way, Fred Biestas on tour. Oh, 37, 32. My foul naman itinawa. My foul, jersey number 8, illegal use once, Andoy number 8, second personal fouls. 3 for the team, 1 to 6 remaining time. Jersey number 12, 2. Deliver. Another foul in goal. Jersey number 18, Fred Biestas, illegal contact, 2 free throws. Fred Biestas, second personal. Substitution. Galgo out, Galgo in. Warning pala. Tanaw sa scoreboard. Act of shooting, dalawang libreng tira, reserve. What through, 122 na lang. Wala. Last throw for Deliver, 0-2. Substitution, Deliver out. 33-37 score. Jersey number 8, Andoy, Patala. 2. Fred Biestas for 3. 40 kontra 33. Nabaha to Kokila. Yes, sir. A nice layup made by Kokila. 58 seconds to play. 55. Fred Biestas. Wala. Rebound. Fred Biestas again. Andoy. 2. Fred Biestas. 7 seconds. 7 seconds shot clock. 7 seconds. 43 seconds remaining shot clock 7. Fred Biestas. 2. Andoy. Wala. Rebound, Kokila, Nabaha, 2, Jong-sun, 37-14, 30 seconds, bakit? 30 seconds lang po, mubase sa inyo pa, 30 seconds, 30, alayo din ang 5 seconds, 30 seconds, 25, foul. Jersey number 12, Kibidu, illegal use. 3 team fouls, Kibidu. Number 12, first personal foul. 3 team fouls. 20 segundos na lang, 20 seconds. 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. What's the motive of the buzzer niya? End of the second quarter. Third quarter.
Gani. Ako makuno ka ron.
3 puntos na yabaw. 3. 40 kontra 37. Jersey number 29, Labahang, Tumsun. Pull up. Yes, sir. Uy, higit na. 39, 40.
Sana lang.
Jersey number 11, Ormestundo, Tutahonera, wala. Gurun, Tumsun, for the drive. Yes, sir. Labaw na. Isang tumilyo. 40-41. Jersey number 11, Ormestundo, Tutahonera, back to Ormestundo, wala. Palok, wala. Rebound, jersey number 10, Coquera. Coquera number 10 is still in the move. Again, to the right. Palok. No good. Pull up.
Nice.
Pero may itinawag. May foul itinawag. Jersey number 11, illegal contact to free throws. Sino na 11 ini? Asierto? Asierto. First personal. 1 for the team. Ang shooting, dalawang reprinter. Wala. Last throw for Guru. Last throw.
Kasi sa buhisan, tabord rin ginigo. Talyo.
Wala pa rin. Palok. Rebound. Jersey number 11, Ormestundo. Number 1, 2. Tahonera for John. Wala. Rebound. Intercity by Asierto. Follow up. No good. May foul itinawag. Basket invalid. Jersey number 14, Gurun, illegal. Use one baseline foul. Second personal fouls. Gurun, 1 for the team. Shot clock receipt to 14. Tahonera. 4, 3. 1, 2, 3. Uy, 43, 41. Jersey number 10. Coquera to Tumsun. Yes, sir. Score tabla 43 all. Tabla mga kapatid. Tabla jersey number 13. Tahonera. Wala. Rebound. Run. Intercity number pass number 12. Kipino. Never. Pull up. Yes, sir. Johnson. 45. 45, 43. Sa 6 minutos na lang. Jersey number 10. Tahonera. Pagbagan. Another 3 points made by Tahonera. Gurun. Coquera. 5. Wala. Rebound. Coquera rin. Elbow. Bola lagi. Bola sa team Disun. Bola sa team Disun. 5-3-9. Remaining time. 5-3-9. 5-3-9. Jersey number 13. Tahonera. Steve dribbling the ball. 15 shot clock. Ormestundo. It's a bad pass. Sobrang taas. 5:24 na lang. 5:24.
Izum.
5-2-4. Jersey number 29. Pass number 3. Coquera. My foul itinawag. My foul. Jersey number 10. Tahonera. Illegal yung subas. First personal foul. Tahonera. 5-18. 15 shot clock. Coquera. Pull up. Wala. Rebound. Tahonera. Jersey number 13 to Camadunga. Spin move. Yes, sir. 48, 45. Uy, tulo na lang. Tulo na sa jersey number 12. Tumsun. Pull up. Short. Rebound. Ormestundo. Ormestundo, jersey number 11. For the drive, tahunil again, nag-speed, 1, 2, kagagan! 51, 45, 6 puntos na sa jersey number 12, Burun, gumaganti! Bang! Shotgun ang pagagamit, 48-51. Bounce na, bounce. Jersey number 13, 15 shot clock, gumaganti! Wala, rebound, Kabadunga, yes sir! 53-48, jersey number 14, pass number 12, Johnson, pull up, wala, Kopia, yes sir! 53, 3:41 remaining time, jersey number 13, number 7, Kabadunga, rebound, Kibido, pass to, it's a bad pass. Okay lang out, Julian. Sino? Acerto out, Galgo. 3:29 na lang, remaining for the third quarter, 3:29, jersey number 13, Tahonera. 2, Tahonera. 15 seconds shot clock, Galgo. Foul, itilawan, may foul. Jersey number 12, holding foul. Jersey number 12, Jungsun. O, sino na 12? Kibido, lagi. Duha. Sikang team, foul. Shot clock, receipt to 14. Jersey number 11.
Claro.
11 seconds shot clock. 11 seconds.
Ayun na i-zoom. Ayun na naman.
Jersey number 11, Northeast Stone, Kabadunga. Nice. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds. Kabadunga again. 5 seconds shot clock. Wala. Rebound. Kabadunga. Pula. Wala pa rin. Pero may foul na sinabi. Jersey number 14, pushing, 2 libreng tira. Sino na 14? Gurun, Tulu. 3 for the team. Lister. Yes, 1 point. 54 contra 50. Lastro por Galgo. Lastro. Wala. Goron out. Diliger. 256 na lang. 256 remaining time. Nabaha. 2. Doliano. 15 shot clock. Diligir. Pull up. Let's stop. By foul, jersey number 2 holding foul number 2. Holding foul number 2. First personal, number 2. Warning for penalty, 40 pounds. Jersey number 30, wala. Pola. Si Diliger. Foul, number 12, again, illegal contact to free throws. O, sino nagiging na dusi? Duha sa dusi good? Johnson, Tulu. Penalty. Wala. Last throw for Orbis Tulo. Yes, 55. 2-3-4 remaining time. 2 strike 4. Nabaha. 2. Johnson, shot clock 15. Pull up. Wala. Rebound. Intercepted by Giuliano. Giuliano 2. Johnson. 1, 2. Bang! 53. Contra 55. Duha na lang. Duha. Orbis Studio to Tahonera 2. Intercepted by
Milan! Hey!
10 seconds shot clock. Shot clock down to 10. Tahonera to Tahonera. 1, 2. Wala. Rebound. Kibino. Ndale. 2. Johnson. Wala. Kibino. Yes sir. It's for the ladies and ladies. Tatla. 55 all. Jersey number 11, Orbis Studio. Wala. Turnover. Bull out of bounds. Tabla, sino kaya ang magkakapasok sa Magic 4? Jersey number 29, Nabaha. 2. Deliver, 15 seconds, 1-1, pull up, Nesta, enter City Valley, 10 to shoot, Davido. Wala. Rebound, pass number 11, Orbis Studio, on the way, Tahonera. Isa na lang kaminuto, warning for technical, jersey number 13, Gito Tahonera for delaying the game. Jersey number 12, Tirino. Oops, offensive foul, tinawag. Jersey number 12, Kipido Tulu. Wala isa sa offensive. Usa na lang kaminuto. 1 minute remaining for third quarter. Jersey number 11, Orbis Studio, 55 seconds, 15 seconds shot clock. Tahonera. Wala. Rebound by Johnson number 12, for the right. Wala. Yes sir.
May bas ayot mo ni
Uy, tabla lang. 35 seconds na lang. 30. 15 seconds shot clock. Kabadonga. Agaldo. 59-57. Wala na yung shot clock. 20 seconds na lang. Video number 12. 15. 10. 9. 8. 7, 6, 5.
Isa.
And of the third quarter is score 61-57 in favor Lourdes Pizuwaywa.
Ayaw pasudla sa tungod, ayaw pasudla.
Tulak na gawas.
Final quarter na total. Giuliano for the throw in to Nabaha now to Kukila Johnson. Wala. Pala. Wala. Rebound. Pala. Nesa. Pero may itinawag. May itinawag. Jersey number 10. Hit. To the head. Galgo. Number 10. Sino natin? Galgo. Galgo number 10. Second personal fouls. 1 for the team. Act of shooting. 2 libre tira. Sablay ang unang tira. Last throw. Wala. Giuliano. Nabaha. Wala. Rebound, Mr. Galgo, Andul, 2, 6, a bad pass. City by Pinoy din lang malapit. Jersey number 29, Napaha. 2. Juliano, 5. Wala. Anduy for the rebound. Anduy pass number 11. Number 11, 2. Gago. Wala. Rebound by Piliguer. 2. Coquera. 7 minutos 6 segundos. Shot clock 20. 20 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 29, Juliano looking for Stevens. 2. Piliguer. 2. Turnover. Sa pass. Substitution. Game. Diliger out. Gurun. 7 minutos 2 segundos remaining. Orbes Tondo. Wala. Jongsun. Hold right. Yes sir. 2 puntos ka lang mga kapatid. Napakabal Tidodi for the drive. Coquera, spin. Spin, traveling pala ang tawag na. Lilikod, spin move, traveling move. Size 37. Jersey number 8, pop to number 11, Orbis Tondo. 15 seconds shot clock. Kapadunga 2. Kagu Nasla. Jongsun. 1-on-1. Nasla.
Gipik pa to, Pao.
Bagong membro ng Mr. Bulmasil ang hari ng tapal. Mr. Orbis Tondo.
Ano ka?
Sa 19 remaining time. Reserve lang. Jersey number 29, Napaha. Touchdown, Team Vision.
Depensa dun. Depensa bitaw ko.
And 13 seconds. Kulbahina na dua. Kulbahina. 6:30 na lang sa East. Jersey number 11, Orbis Tondo, Fred Yescas. 15 shot clock. Andu. Pa. Wala. Rebound. Jongsun for the rebound. Pass to Gurun to Juliano. Juliano for the drive. Para. Wala. Enter Silva. Out to bounds, turnover. 5:48 na lang, 5:48. Jersey number 11, Orbis Tondo. Orbis Tondo 2. Fred Yescas. 4-3. 64-61. 5:31 remaining time. Jersey number 29, Juliano. Flying pass of behind the back. Wala para. Yes sir. Ang foul of Johnson made by Kipido.
Saka-saka balik.
Saka mo, saka.
4 digit lang ang laban. Orbis Tondo. Yes, sa kanya. Still on the move. Number 8, and do it. 10 seconds shot clock. 5. Wala. Rebound. Yes sir. 4:54, 3 puntos, 63, Jongsun. Todoyan. 15 seconds shot clock. 1, 2. Wala. Rebound. Kipido again. Forward. Bang! May sinabi pang-pang. De basket count. Jersey number 10, pushing foul. Sino yan? Number 10, de Galgo number 10, Tulu na foul. Galgo number 10, bonus throw awarded. Jersey number 12, Kipido. Yes sir, he scored 66 tabla. Orbis Tundu, wala. Dolyano, Joysun. My foul Tinawa, jersey number 11, holding foul number 11.
Sa piyutan ko sa uyot no.
Orbis Tundu, number 11.
Kapag ka itong bola.
Orbis Tundu, second personal fouls. Ibiro Anui, number 8, Gago, yes sir! Mr. Galdo for 2, Saisita Yoso. Jersey number 12, Ibiro spin again, pull up, by foul Tinawa. Jersey number 8, Andrew illegal contact, 2 free throws. Andrew jersey number 8, 3 personal fouls, warning for penalty, Dishun, 40 bucks. Yes, si check. Last 4 minutos na lang ang nabili sa last quarter. 4 minutos. Wala. Rebound. Out, Lords free so Wi-Fi, last touch. 3:58 remaining time. 3:58 na lang, malapit na. Pagniestas, Caldo, wala, rebound. Ibidu, number 12, foul. My foul against jersey number 10. Oh, penalty.
Pasok.
Jersey number 10. Mr. Galdo, warning for graduation. This is your 4th personal foul. Uy, penalty.
Retro, nato.
Wala. Last through. Jumpers. Miss rebound. Yes sir, score tabla. 68 on. Sino kaya? Jersey number 8, pass to number 17, Red Yestas. Wala, ito follow up. Yes sir. Si Tinta sa Sitay, 8-3 na lang. 3-30, jersey number 29, Dolian. For the drive. Bang! Si Tinta kontra si Tinta. Jersey number 11, Orbis Tundu. Instruct his teammates to Gago. My foul, Tinawa. Foul, jersey number 14, Gurun. Head to the head. Gurun number 14, warning for foul out. Gurun numero 14, act of shooting, 2 libreng tira. 3 minutos, 6 segundos na lang. Yes. 71, 50. Last through for Galdo. Yes sir. 72. 3-6 remaining time, Gurun. Johnson. Point. May foul
It's
Itinawa.
ba to? Action shooting to na.
Shoot, di penalty naman.
Jersey number 7, pushing, penalty. Penalty, number 7. Sino yan, number 7?
Taasar mo kasi intro.
Number 7, Kabadong.
Ang taasar mo.
Uy, duha ang foul sa Kabadong. Wala. Last throw for Johnson. 70 Jus. 70, 72, yes, 71.
One stop, one stop.
Hey, alright.
Jersey number 8, wala. Johnson for the rebound. To Gurun, Nabaha, 1-1. My foul is enough.
Gay na ramang good na.
Jersey number 11, Orbis Tundu.
Gay na ramang dili mga naigo. Dili mga gula.
Orbis Tundu, 3 personal fouls. Penalty.
Para ka iski. Isu.
Last throw for Nabaha. Wala pa rin. A bad idea. Jersey number 8 to number 17. Previesas. Charge time out. Lord's Piso Wi-Fi. 2-34, score 74-71 in favor Barangay Lactuna.
Tulo.
Luhara.
Walang patas sa 2 minutes, 2-3-4 pa lang. Jersey number 29, Nabaha. Johnson, back to Nabaha. Pola. Wala. Nabaha 2, Johnson. Bang! 73, 74, 16 remaining time. Jersey number 11 of this tournament. Still dribbling the ball. 10 second shot clock. Last 2 minutes. Wala pa penalty. Jersey number 19 and 29 Nabaha. Second personal, 2 for the team, shot clock, receipt to 14. 2 minutos na lang. 2 minutos.
Tabla ila ipot man, itong ilang manok.
2 minutos.
Andohan na tabla?
Sino?
Kambayot, building.
Previous na sa
Isa daog, agwa mauna yung kalaban, pildi na punta na iya. Kaduhan tara siya.
14 second shot clock, 14. Receipt to 14. Ormes Tuldo, 2, Adul, bola, yes sir. 76, 73, 155 remaining time, jersey number 29, Nabaha 2,
Taga-tagaan pa ni Uyut.
16 second shot clock.
Baki! Do Carlos! Lambo TV mga bangin.
16 second shot clock. Guru. Ang sports ball live foul ang ikinawag.
Ha?
Holding jersey number 8. Ang spook, Mr. Andoy for holding jersey.
Dire na natin ko.
Dire na.
Yawa burot na gudo.
Warning for falling out. Andoy.
Anak, pagkakataon na ninyo. Tapos penalty sa.
Pagkakataon. Bira-bira eh. Baki.
That is called throwing foul. Isa lang tayo isa. Kaya walang ligagan ng isa lang tayo. Throwing foul. Plus ball position. Throwing foul ang tawag siya. Plus ball position. Throwing foul. Basta di ko gagan ng oras.
Naiyabi ko an to wins. Wala karta.
Warning for foul out now si Mr. Adui for personal fouls. Gurun 15 sa clock. Wala. Kirino. Bola. Another foul has been called. Jersey number 7, Abaduga, penalty. Penalty na. Kabadungan number 7, 3 personal fouls. Shot clock, receipt to 14. Wala.
Oh, pildi ka tarong bagtikang
Last throw.
Ito na lang sa tanan, di kasi.
Kadagan-dagan yung ano.
Last throw for Kibido.
Patay ko to mo.
Wala pa rin. Jersey number 14. Kahumira Kabadunga. Wala. Rebound Jungsun. 128 remaining time. Jungsun pass na ng 14. Kurun. Wala. Kahumira may foul tinawa. Jersey number 12 Kibido. Illegal use of hands. Kibido number 12. Warning for foul now. 3 team fouls. Uy, kamuhin na warning. Kamuhin na. 121 na lang. Always Sudo, extract his things. 15 seconds shot clock. Taking to shoot. Go! Uy, my foul. My foul at the hour. Jersey number 12, pushing to free throws. Dusi, Sino? Kibido. At Jungsun, warning na saan. Damoy na warning. Warning for penalty. Lord's Piso Wi-Fi. Wala.
Ayaw na sila pamana ba?
Sablaya mo ng tira. Last throw for
Buntutura.
Calvo. Jersey number 10. Yes, they can shoot it. 1:06 remaining time. Kibido. Wala. It's a bad 57 seconds to play. 55. Undo. Cadego. South Sala. Lords Piso Wi-Fi.
Retro yan, retro. Harap sa retro.
Drop.
Stress ka. Limang diyan.
Pila?
Lima.
May pagdi magman. Buntutura.
Screen rakan mo.
Oo. Pila? Ayaw mo pagman loy. Buntutura.
Sa Magic 4, Barangay San Domingo Sea.
Antipolo.
Sa Barangay Bayan.